Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I'm doing a painting appropriating the image of Priya's Shakti, a comic and campaign which fights to end violent and sexual crimes against women. In this video, I emphasize the decisions I made throughout this painting process. Every part of an artwork and every choice made, even the medium used, influenced the meaning of the work. I placed myself in Priya's place in the artwork. Then I made a gold halo to enforce the belief of women as goddesses, enforcing the power of women and condemning the sacrilege of women. As for the tiger, my daughter really fought hard, wanting me to change the tiger to be our cat. I agreed that would be cute, but I decided against it strongly because it would undermine the seriousness of the issue. I even considered myself sitting on an elephant instead of a tiger. Elephants are my favorite animal. They're strong, graceful, powerful, and holy. I did end up deciding on the tiger for two reasons. I thought of the term tigress and thought about how fiercely I wanted to fight to end these crimes against women. Tigress seemed to fit. Also, I wanted to keep the image recognizable to Priya's Shakti. For the background, I chose to do a galaxy. Here's why. I think of the galaxy representing the universe, and I want to emphasize the power of myself, Priya, other people, the gods, and the universe all fighting together to end violence against women. I really enjoyed painting on the tiger's stripes. I think that was my favorite part of working on this project. These black stripes painted on really gave it that jagged, edgy comic book feel that Priya Shakti had. I'm fitting the paper onto the figures in the foreground to protect them from when I do the paint splatter, which will add stars into my galaxy. To do this, I watered down the paint, actually using matte medium instead of the water. Then I used the bristles of a toothbrush to fling the paint. I photographed myself wearing my kurti and scarf to use as reference for this painting. I also referred back to the skin tone mixing chart I made for a previous video to find a similar skin tone to my own. I used matte medium to blend the values a bit. I had a lot of trouble towards these final stages, just working on my face. Normally with portraits, I don't have much difficulty. I'm able to do portraits fairly well, but this one, considering it was so small and also with paint, I had so much difficulty with it. I ended up deciding to use collage. Using PVA glue, I pasted a photograph of myself onto my face. Still, something didn't look right. After hearing about a recent tragic crime of this sort from the news, I went into mourning. I was angry and hurt, and I just couldn't work on this project anymore. After much thought, I decided to veil my face in this artwork using the color of white, which is the color of mourning in many Eastern cultures. I ended up adding about 7 or more layers of this white transparent fabric. If you can appropriate yourself into an already existing artwork, which artwork would that be?